Welcome to the installation video of the CURT 13386 Class 3 trailer hitch on the 2018 Ford Explorer. Begin by removing 3 exhaust rubber isolators to lower the exhaust. We highly recommend supporting your exhaust system with a ratchet strap or a wire hanger before removing the isolators to prevent unintended damage. Remove the rearmost 2 rubber isolators from the muffler hangers, and then remove the rubber isolator hanger bracket from the vehicle. Remove the tow hook bracket as well. These hangers and tow hook brackets will not be reinstalled. Next, install the rubber isolators onto the trailer hitch with the provided 7/16 inch hex bolts and secure them with the 7/16 inch flat washers and nylock nuts. Use the reverse fishwire technique to install the attachment on the passenger side. To do this, thread the coiled end of the included fishwire over the threaded end of the included 1/2 inch carriage bolt, and then insert the carriage bolt into the frame attachment point. Then thread the opposite end of the fishwire through the square hole spacer, and then insert that spacer into the frame attachment point. Pull on the fishwire in order to pull the carriage bolt through the spacer and down and out through the attachment point. Leave the fishwire attached at this time. Next, with the help of a friend, carefully raise the hitch into position. Thread the fishwire through the side plate of the hitch and allow the carriage bolt to pass through the side plate. Carefully remove the fishwire and secure the attachment point with the included serrated flange nut. Then continue to secure the hitch by threading the included M12 hex bolts and 1/2 inch conical tooth washers into the vehicle's factory-equipped weld nuts. Install all hardware on all attachment points. Finally, torque all hardware to the exact value identified in your supplied instruction sheet. All M12 hardware will be torqued to 79 foot-pounds, and the 1/2 inch hardware will be torqued to 110 foot-pounds. Install the rubber isolators for your exhaust system. Congratulations, you have now successfully installed your new CURT hitch. Get ready to tow on the road by installing the custom vehicle-to-trailer wiring harness next, part number 56172 for this specific vehicle. Thank you for watching this video. Always tow safely and get ready to bring it.